So now we will try to implement the object detection model. And so now let's go to Anaconda prompt, activate TF object, go to D, and in the D, open Jupyter notebook. So now we are in the D. So let's go to models, and in the models go to research, and in research go to object detection. So here you can see I have saved one video with the name of test model. Here you can see test model. We will try to detect object in that particular video. So let's open the Jupyter notebook page. To access this code, I have already put the link in the description of my GitHub. You can find that particular coding here, explanation of the coding, and you can copy and paste from this link. So here we have implemented mobile net. You can implement other network as well, like faster RCNN, fast RCNN. You can download different models, and I will tell you how to download that model, how to use that model. So here I have also given the coding for video streaming, like for webcam, real-time object detection. So this is the code for the object detection, real-time object detection, and webcam. So here I will give credit to Krishna Naik because I have followed he did a wonderful job in object detection. So he is my teacher actually. He is my online teacher actually. So I will definitely give credit to Krishna Naik. So let's start coding from step 1 to step n. So go to testing. We have already opened this. Import TensorFlow. So here is TensorFlow 2.9, 2.9.1. So it's the most stable one. I will highly recommend to install this version. And then here you can see this is very important step. And in this step, we will access our data folder in the models. Here in the model, we will go to research, and in the research we will go to object detection. In object detection we will access this folder, and in this folder we will create another folder with the name of models. Here you can see actually already implemented this model, so it's already created. But when you start downloading the model, when you start implementing this model, so you will not have this this folder. So this folder will be created with by this type of code. Okay, this code will create a model folder inside the data. Okay, so let's run this code, and then next we will download the model. I have already downloaded the model. So to save your time, actually sometime internet is slow, so it will take some little bit of time. So I have already implemented the model. So just run this code and you will download SSD mobile net. So if you want to use any other network or any other model, you can download from GitHub and you can use it that. And in the next lecture, I will try to customize this model, and I will explain one by one. So just run this code. So it will download, because in my case it's already downloaded. So let's run this code. So in the third step, we will go to load the model. So this step, this particular coding will load your model. So load the model, and here in load label map data. So in the load label map data, this in this particular coding, it will, because it's a pre-trained model, so there is a lot of label in that. It's already label data and it's already trained model. So this coding will and it's already saved in the Cocoa API dataset. So it will be loaded from the Cocoa API dataset here. So let's run that. We will import CV2. It's for webcam and for the video as well. So we will run this code. So next I will recommend to ignore if you don't want to access your webcam. So just ignore this step. Okay, you can skip this step. If you want to use your webcam for real-time object detection, so you can use that. So it's quite easy. Just run this code and it will access your webcam. And in the final step here, you can see I am accessing test model.mp4. It's saved where? It's saved in the object detection folder, that video. So let's run this code. So it will take a little bit of time. So we have done with the coding. and now you can see it's object detection model. So there will be no doubt there will be a lot of error messages, a lot of error, a lot of like wrong detection. So this is all about the object detection, and in the next lecture I will customize the model and I will explain the coding we have already implemented here.